Today, guys, our model is Shania. Shania is a special model because we're going in with the Coco Pro in blow dryer, the Nano Pro blow dryer. Guys, I love this blow dryer. Remember that we do have a coupon code for 20% off all of the Coco Pro 2s, the blow dryer, the brushes, the clips, and the irons. Remember, utilize the 20% coupon code for all tribe members that you can utilize for your products to come right to your home, and the rollers, right? Here's a key tip right here, guys, that we want to make sure to blow dry the water into the hair, right? So as you're smoothing. Now, guys, in order to not use like edge control so this blowout can definitely last a lot longer, up to about 2 full weeks, but she'll probably just rock it from the base to be able to have flow and movement and real volume. A lot of times, if you want that in the base, you can't really weigh it down with waxy products, and that's the challenge. So you got to use your tools, guys. Use your irons, use your round brushes, use your board bristles and your heating tools like your blow dryer to make sure that you can smooth things out and have that silk and shine. So notice here, guys, ends again. This is a link check client, so we're not doing a whole lot of layers and a lot of cutting because she will be curly, right? She is going to shampoo her hair in 2 weeks from this particular video model to show, because this client exists. They're all over college campuses, guys. They're all in high school. They're walking around and working in the mall. They are all growing up now, never really having relaxers. She kind of came up, I think we gave her a relaxer one time, and her mom and I'm talking about when she was really young. This is years ago, right? That they are wonderful irons. One of the things that I love about them is they have that rubber knob that I can kind of utilize, really smooth casing around the iron to get those full revolutions around. Some people make their curls from flat irons. I do that as well, guys. It's not an either or situation. Use both techniques, but this section, right, making sure that I turn the curls in the way that I want it to lay when it falls. Let that cool for about 10 minutes. And you know, she hasn't done anything like this for a photo shoot, so it didn't take long for her to just get into the motion. So I said, Shania, look at the screen, look right into the camera, and I want you to think J-Lo, right? I want you to think Beyonce. And she was like, I can do that, right? So I'm literally taking the curls out, and then, you know, I want to give her an idea of how it would feel to be in a fashion show or a fashion shoot, right? But it didn't take long. And I want you to think about this, guys. Take photos of your clients, not of your hair on the clients, but take photos of your clients and videos of your clients wearing your hair. Clients are all over your cities, guys. They're everywhere in your town. Get out there and market to them. Create content like this on a wall inside of your salon. Learn a little editing yourself and create these videos or photo looks, and you're gonna draw in a lot more of this blow, silk, body, volume, link check client that's all over your city. I'm looking forward, guys, to see you duplicate this in your salon.